What's your original nation? Where are you originally from?
I'm from Haiti.
Originally, where in Haiti are you from?
I'm Port-au-Prince.
Port-au-Prince.
Yeah.
Would you go back to Haiti right now?
Not now.
Not now?
Maybe in the future.
Maybe in the future.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you'll never see if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
What's up, beautiful people? You know what, I'm born Jamaica in 876 by birth, you know. I'm still there, up in the Miami. You see me, I'm outside people, you see me? Yeah, it's hot outside right now, people. Like, it's really hot. It's 92 degrees. Let me see if I can show it on my phone. Hold on, let me show you. Last time I tried showing you this on my phone, I never know if I need to get to see it properly, you know. Let me see if I can go into the shade, let me turn up the brightness. Hold on, let me show it on my phone, people. Alright, see there? It has a 93 degrees right now, and I'm pretty sure the feel like it's gonna be way more than that. You see how much it say it feels like? 99. You see that? Alright, people, so just in case you never see, 93 degrees. Yeah, we're there in Miami, people. Yeah, up in the hometown, you see me? And if you need to watch the other video, them, the other vlog them from what day, you know me I try to get to the UPS, you see me? Yeah, what day I go and it lock 4 o'clock, I'm reach 2 minutes after 4. One boy in there say, yo, cut off, now let you in, you see me? So there right now, people, you see me? Yeah man, showing them surrounding, showing them what I go on. Place nice and beautiful, nothing but coconut tree, palm tree. It's nice, man. I wanna say, man, one beautiful place over there. Yeah, it's zippy. Yeah man, place nice, man. That's what I say, people. Yeah. So they are trying to get to this this UPS here. You see me? Honestly, people, I don't really have nothing special to do today, to be honest. But through me I walk out, I just say, yo, I just walk out today. Now, hopefully the wind not affect the sound. If it affect it, I'm really sorry. You see me? But yeah, they are walk out today, you know, people. You see it? Yeah, man. So I go. I just plan to go up to the UPS. I see I don't really plan to do nothing more today. I'm honestly not sure what the pre, you see me? You know, this weekend I forward up a Memorial weekend, so plan to go up on the road and thing, you see it? Yeah man. My plan to go down to South Beach, and definitely when I go down to South Beach, you know, my camera go out. You see me? No, I mean I just probably just go walk up and down. But we are go out and I show you how I go and down there look and everything. You know, so I always do that, you see it? Now, apart from that, still want to go downtown Miami. Probably down at Brickell City. Yeah, want to go down there. Down there nice and thing, people. You can YouTube it, Google it, look on it. Down there so nice and thing. So I probably go down there. So, it's right. Yeah. And the show down there. Down there nice, like downtown Miami. I think you have the university down there too, you know. But down there nice, like a certain part down there. If you get round the city down there, you have something with them called people mover. Pretty much like an air train. Carry you in, it run up top. So you run past the building them in between some buildings. Like it nice. So I say I want to probably go down there one evening, like when the sun has set or something, because sometimes it pass over the river. When you look to the west, you can see the sun has set or something. So it look really nice. And as you know, I think the American Airlines arena they down there. I think American Airlines? I think so, I'm not sure, don't quote me. But down which one Miami Heat's play, Miami Heat's basketball side, down there so. Yeah, them arena they down there so too. So I think you can supposed to see it, especially when you're doing the people mover. You're supposed to can see it. And yeah, UPS me I go return something. You see me? Yeah, you know the thing go already. So I carry them thing I go drop off back. Not that far from me, I just make a little simple stroll, you know? Yeah. So I want to go down there so. Probably go tomorrow, I'm not sure. Probably go tomorrow. But whenever, I go down there in the evening and kind of stay till after the traffic because I don't want to come back up in the traffic because yo, traffic in Miami, terrible people. Yeah, you see me? So, South Florida traffic overall. Yeah, man, when I rush hour, traffic grimy. So, I go down there, so I'm going to carry on down there so with me too. You see it? Yeah. Shout out to all of the people them there, you know, they don't know. Big up on yourself, you know, you see me? Rika, enough love, you see it? Big up yourself. Donald, big up yourself. Jovin, big up yourself. Jacqueline, big up yourself. Joan, big up yourself. Wow. Who else? J Booming, big up yourself, my G. You see me? Yeah. Who else? A whole heap of people, you know. Peter, big up yourself, you know. Big up yourself, Peter. You see me? Colin. Yo, Colin, big up yourself. And Caroline, big up yourself, my boss, and your wife, you know. Yeah, man. Manners and respect, you know. Yeah. Bless up on yourself when you don't know. Let me see. I want to go on 96th Street. It's our 94 this look like. Yeah. I also want to cross the road to people. But yeah, man. Big up on yourself, man. All the people I always watch and I comment. I know I left off people, but you don't know it go already once you start calling them. Some people name I go call and some people name I get left off. You see me, Tristan, large up yourself, you know, my general. All of the UK massive them. Blessing, big up yourself. Jamaica, one love, big up yourself. You see me? Yeah, man. All the people them from South Florida, big up themselves. People them from California, big up themselves. Yo, Caribbean people them. Trinidad people, them people, all them walk across the road of people. Them people that even stop at the stop sign. Man, it's a roll through. That man stop. I'm a turn. Yeah, man, so my Caribbean people, them big up on yourself, you see me? Yeah, people them from Trinidad, people them from Bermuda, Cayman, Barbados, like, I see the views them from over there, you see me? I see say you not tune in, bless up on yourself. A couple of the places, Antigua, couple of places them, big up on yourself, man. And people them from, you know on yourself already, man. Bless up on yourself, man. You see me? Yeah. Bless up on yourself, man, people. And don't know the thing, you see it? Yeah, man. 876 by birth, you know. I'm up in the hometown, you know. Yeah. You see me? Also look nice, you know, people. Not look too bad. What do you think? Talk to me. Tell me what you think. And then build a little thing for cover over them driveway. Yeah, it don't look too bad. It looks nice. But I find, I notice enough of them also them have that style of fence. Yeah. Them either have this or them have the what you call it? Them either have this or them have the what you call it? The aluminum one. Yeah, them have this or them have the aluminum one. Little zinc one or them have the PVC one. That we notice here, them they are on the place right now, you see it? Yeah, them expensive people. Them expensive. Couple people at Jamaica have the PVC one them too, and them they expensive too, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, look nice. But people, you know say I might ground this my type of weather. Everything. Yeah. You know I love that weather here. Give me that weather here all day, every day. I get too hot, I just stay inside in the AC and drink water. I'm good. Can't take it cold, sir. Can't take it cold, because when you're in a cold, if you turn up the heater too high, the place get too humid and then your nose start bleed. Yeah, with that. Up on that. Alright, let me go and sweat. Let me go and sweat, you see me? So yeah. Right now, I'm there at one place. One Jamaica restaurant, they're close by. 2 of them, well, 3 of them. One right there from how long we name Jamaica House. That there, you see me? Yeah. And that no bad. food delicious. You know, you have one named Dana, I think, and you have Dutch pot. Most people from South Florida, them know about Dutch pot. You know, the first Dutch pot, I think, must be there up Fort Lauderdale side, but them build one down here so now. You see me? So yeah, build one down here so now, people. You see me? And the food no bad. Food no bad, man. You see me? Yeah. What do you go in there, you know? You go in there, what do you dip on the road, man? I'm gonna eat some food and thing, but it did a rain and thing. Well, the rain the barely a Jew. I just want to get some food and things, so I never bother turn on the camera. I don't even think they bring the camera. But yeah, see the aluminum fence here. And I think the PVC one this side, right? So the PVC there set to the left where the gate open, the aluminum one there to the right. Aluminum one are basically zinc fence, you know, people. A zinc fence. Yeah, man. A zinc fence. But you don't know. Them just style it up. Yeah. It does style up, you know. But a zinc, people. A zinc. So anybody wanted to know how the houses look or some of the style of the house them in South Florida, I saw it kind of stay. Some of them, you know, you have different type of houses, isn't it? But see this here, zinc fence, people. A zinc. You see me? Yeah, man, a zinc, man. So I knock on it there, a zinc. Yup. But them here like modern thing, them know where around the place here. So them type of fencing here, as me tell you, the aluminum, the PVC, and the grill lamp on the front. Usually them normally have them boards sitting here, but people them are moving from them board, them type of board. Okay, so when them get older, so them look with them zinc and them one day PVC one, they can wash them off. You see me? Care them. Forgot how much years them set upon them, but yeah. But enough of them board fence I used to down here. You pass the people them here, whole heap of them look a board up there. But them stop here now, you see it? Yeah. Most of them are the people them are rock right you know. But me personally, I'm not too dig grilling up people. Man, I lie. For me alone, well, a grill man don't make no money. Cause me think grill thing overpriced. I think so. And I not even go to cost the grill man them because I not say the man them for something because some of them skillful. You know what them trade and them deserve good compensation. So I not say right, but the cost for the material people, it's expensive. Just like all board. To make a board house, to make a concrete house cheaper than to make a board house, you know. Because the price for the board is expensive. Yeah, you see me? So, yeah man. So it's set up. So that yellow building there, I don't know if you can see it, but building there out there, so yellow with the red on in or something. That's the Dutch pot. You see me? Yeah. Jamaican restaurant. And I'm not hungry now. Right now, now after one, but I'm not too long eat my breakfast. And a whole heap of fruits. I'm belly full right now, people. I tell you the truth. So I'm not hungry. So I'm not even go bother go. I'm not go in there for buying no food. But yeah, at the back part like this still. Yeah, over there is the main road. If you look out there, you'll see car around. If you look out there, you'll see car. Main road that people. On road in Florida what them call 441 in South Florida. Some place them call it State Road 7. But I see them road. A road that carry from way down South Florida go way up. I don't even know how far up it go. One time I look on the map how far up it go way up in Florida people. Major main road, you see me? Yeah. So I almost reach the place you know. I come on him scooter doing thing. People the food center hit me. Yo! They sent bad. See them have them little delivery truck there. Some delivery truck there over there so. Yeah. Real Jamaican food, real good Dutch pot. Yeah man, them have all them website and everything, you see it? Have all them website and everything. So yeah man. See there, the drive through. People sometimes you go into the drive through line long. The car park ram up You can't even find space to walk more while. Not even space to walk, yo, me I tell you. Serious thing, man. You see me? Yeah, serious thing. But I almost reach the UPS. Can call it some reach though. They in a little plaza here right there, so people, this is how I like with Florida. Like a lot of things there, a lot of places. You see me? Yeah. Whole heap of things there, a whole heap of places. Let me try to show you this again. See them? See the place, this is the side. The front there around this as we say, but that's at the side. You see me? But whole heap of things there. Everywhere I say. And you say you look across and say you have a CVS pharmacy. Whole heap of little something there, people. That's what I like, you see it? Yeah man, love that. Love that, me I tell you see me? Yeah man. I look at Wells Fargo machine here, ATM. All them little things, you put a little place I know, as you say you have a UPS store, Foot Locker there, so T-Mobile, Subway. Couple little place. So I'm about to run in at this UPS, yeah. Hold on, let me see if I find that thing, yeah. Supposed to have the barcode them from the phone. Alright. Hold on, the people. Hello, how are you?
Good, how
I'm good. I just want to return these. Let's see. This one is here.
That's the which one?
The phone case. And then
Yeah.
this one. That's for this one.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Alright, thank you very much. Have a good day. Alright people, that was quick. Yeah. That was quick. You see me? Yeah. Walk around us up on the front part. It's got nice doing the people because it's a road of about 3 lane I go one way, 3 lane I go the other way, so it's kinda nice. You see me? Yeah. I'm gonna cut through here so and show you the Dutch pot. The front entrance, you see it? Yeah, I don't know Jamaican restaurant set up already. You go in the buffet style and raid. It's pretty neat. Very clean in there too and something, you see? You got the people that work at Dutch pot. Yeah, as I say, yeah, I'm outside, yeah, so I rode there 441. What day when I go the Burlington, go buy the bag. Oh, people see that I have the bag. They're at the bag, but get the bag, you see me? What day when I go out of the place, go buy the bag or something. Up at the stoplight there, I go. Yeah, up at the stoplight there, I go, you see me? Yeah. Up there somebody go take the bus from and go out. Go towards the east, you know? Yeah. Oh yeah people, over there so have a little car place like a tire and all these things and auto repair, like a mini garage and Ray. See Wendy's over there, so a couple places well over there, but yeah. So the restaurant here people. You know, Dutch pot, a Jamaican person have a little glove on the back of the, you know, them car over them some, but see restaurant here, you see it? Yeah. Yard man something. You see me? Yeah, and I'm saying one little Wendy's over there, so across the road. As you can read, you see this, that's a Waffle House. Waffle House, so they must serve breakfast right throughout the day. No American thing, that American food. Pancake and waffle and them little thing there. You know what style that? You want real yard man food. You see me? Yeah. Yeah man. And people car mart like madness they down here, so people. Car mart like madness spread out. You see me? Yeah. But I soon come off alright because I know it's noisy because the traffic, you see me? Yeah man, I know it's noisy people. Yeah, go back that way, yeah. Right, just so now we have the other restaurant was me that telling you the name, Jamaica House. It open 24 hours. This was like my favorite spot. Cause I say 24 hours. Anytime at all. If I come from somewhere late, I know I could have just come grab some food right there. So that was my favorite little spot. You see it? But Dutch Pot open now. I must lock Dutch Pot lock make me go there so but see Jamaica House there over there so. Name Jamaica House restaurant, you see me? Yeah. That was one of my favorite spot people. The food no bad and thing. I have a couple of other little places, patty shop. But that patty place, barber shop. But see restaurant. Alright, yeah people, the battery dead a while ago. But yeah. See restaurant they seen that open to get a good look on it, alright? Yeah. So I go to one little club did there right so too. But it don't look like it around again, you know, people. Long time. This is from like but last time I go in there some probably about 2019 or probably 2018. They said the Villa nightclub. Used to bad still, I'm not gonna lie to you know. Some nice music, Jamaican music and so. Nice little lounge in there set up nice and comfortable, you see me? But it don't look like it around right now. Look like it stop run. Cross the road over there so you have a little Harley Davidson. Yeah. Oh, the bike place there. Yeah. You see me? Yeah, you can go buy a bike. But yeah people, so basically I walk and go down. Walk and go back down this way. But people, you see how the UPS return process seamless? Going in not itching. Just do your thing and come out, is it? Yeah, process seamless people. Seamless. Smooth process, is it? Yeah. Smooth process. Show no back out the road because I don't tired to see my ugly face, you know? Yeah. I'm tired to see my ugly face, so show no back out there, so. So not people want to go over in the shade. And as me are telling the people like I want to show you the process of to ship a barrel to Jamaica. Yeah. And there's like a show you people me use like basically telling you still because unlike me I gotta go up there. You see me, the man them go forward feet. So yeah, the company them have a delivery person where come feet. You see me, oh this is a mango tree, you know, people. Yeah. People in my pool wouldn't get that though. And Neesberry tree, hopefully pass a Neesberry tree, I can show you some gigantic Neesberry. And I know who don't get them things in I call it a bombard, see a Neesberry tree. Yeah. See one Neesberry tree, yeah. Look there, some big Neesberry. That one is just a beer, see, just a blossom. Yeah, that one is just a blossom, see. Them there leaves, but see blossom there. Just a blossom, you see me? But that's a Neesberry right there. And I have another big one, couple big one up there, so. I don't know if the camera pick it up still, people, but yeah. But there are a couple, there are others. I pass a few others. Them huge, big like orange. You see me? Yeah, them huge. You see me? Big like orange, people. So here people, as me I say, you know, see if I can document the process there. Most site of when I go down to Jamaica still. Because up here so, I basically, you know, you pack the barrel, you call them come feet. You go down to Jamaica, you see me that all the process take place. Where you have to go over the broker. Same broker will link to them people up here so. And then after you go over the broker, then you go over the customs area, which part the warehouse there and stuff to actually get the barrel. But I know how the recording I go in there so because I know Jamaican people are recording already. And that's a government place. I think it's subsidized by the government too. I think some of the wharf them part them private. Some parts supposed to subsidize, but as I said, at the end of the day, it's a public building, a public space. You see me? Even though it's indoor, but it's a public, it did have to serve the public. And honestly, I don't think there should be any problem for your record, you know. But you know them people are stay already. Once you pop out the camera, you know a thing go already. You see me? One bag of problem already. So I don't know how it go people for telling you the truth. If I can do the recording. But my camera is pretty small. And I tell you from now. If I have to hide and record it, I pre that too. You see me? Yeah. Because I don't remember ever seeing a sign where say no recording. But you know once you're in a them building there you pop out the camera. I'm not say if you run up in a people. But when you serve the public, you see me, you know say yo at the public you serve. So you have to expect whatever the public bring. I not say disrespect, but you serve the public. You serve the public. Nothing about your thing no private. You see me? So yeah. So if me have to hide and do it, I tell you from now, I gotta do it. Yeah. You see me? But I don't think there's anything like any rules say yo don't record. Yeah, but I'm say the people them just gonna start call up once them see camera and people are record them thing. But I say my camera small still, so I could see it go, but I plan to do it soon. See? So fingers crossed, hopefully all goes well. You can get for sure, you see? Yeah. And if you're new to the channel, just do the right thing, man. Click that subscribe button for me, no? Please and thanks. Work on that there. Yeah, click that subscribe button for me, there. Please and thanks. Yeah, some of us do that video here for the people who like me and want to know what I'm up to more while. Yeah, I just walk and I chat to you, so I read that. Yeah. But I just do it for you. Yeah. So I say, yeah, video is not really for everybody. I just for the one them who probably just want to see place and know say you're already. You see me? Yeah. And as I'm telling you that trip here, I never feel. Yeah, it's a little mini vacation to tell you the truth, but really and truly people have to kind of come finish get me thing them what I need to get the business up and running. You see me? So what I say is like a little business thing, you know, mostly for finish buy up my thing them for carry them back home, start at the business. You see me? Yeah. So I never really say you're Ray. Otherwise you would have seen me link a portion of people and would have link up with a portion of my friend them and them thing they and do Ray. But that trip is not for that. You see me? Yeah, that trip is never for that. Cause usually I forward I kind of try to touch base with everybody. Yeah. Going to them hometown. Yeah, which part of them I try to kind of run up in them hometown and for even a week everybody plays the lease all a weekend. You know? Running all a Thursday and chip out back on Monday. Yeah. For even that. People them know that still, but this is not one of them trips there, so wanna forgive me. Some people not even know some there, them probably just see the video them and I say, yeah, I did watch him. Boy not even tell me say I come and foreign, you know. But come on, I wanna know me, I wanna know the thing. Once link for make link always make, but well, we have to get some things off the ground right now, so a serious thing right now, see? Yeah. You have a community where they further down the road over there, so on my left side of my plan for carrying over show on through there, so it's not anything, it's not nothing like wow, but just a nice little area too. So I just go walk and show on down there, so to see. When I lock off the camera till I reach down there. When I reach down there, I flick on back. See it? Yeah. So circle back. Alright? Yeah man, so knock on up back. Alright people, so basically reach. So this is a little community where we are talking about. See? Down here so, a man have a little food cart down there. Even Star Wings. Probably you can't see still, but it's a little Jamaican brother. Or yeah, it's a Jamaican business, got the flag and everything up on it, you see me? But yeah man. So this is one little complex now people from the left hand side there. So when we reach down there, I got turn, so now we get to see better. But yeah, it's a little complex, you know? Yeah. Different from them part over here, so over here are houses. You see me? Yeah. House them there over here so. While over here so them look complex. They may remind me of something at Jamaica we call quad. The house them a Portmore we call quad. We are 4. Are basically the same thing this. So 2 doors there so and 2 doors on the next side. 4 house basically join on together, right? So them 2 windows there, them bathroom that. Yeah. So basically 4 house join on together people. You see it? Yeah. But I say different from over there so at the house them basically coming to a middle of walk through but a further down the road this. You see me? Yeah. We're going to turn at the stoplight and go out so you can see. And them house here, you know, so I not even know if a 1 bedroom and living room or what in them, or if a 2 bedroom them people. But honestly, I don't know. Tell you the truth. I don't know. Listen. Go ahead. Yeah.
It doesn't need the camera to buy something like that. What's the name of the camera? How
GoPro.
Can I get it?
Can get it off Amazon.
Of Amazon, what's the name?
GoPro.
GoPro?
Yeah, just GoPro. Yeah, it's an action camera. What exactly she wanted to do?
Like pictures.
She want to take
nice
pictures or she want to do vlogs? What she want to do?
Oh, you don't want to do vlogs, right?
So this is an action camera. This
That's for vlog.
Yeah, this is for vlogging, but it is not the best camera for vlogging, but it is, as I say, it's an action camera, so it's more rugged. So it can go underwater. You can do a whole lot of stuff with
You
it.
can go underwater.
Yeah, like you can video underwater and all of that. So it's more rugged. You get me?
The name is GoPro.
GoPros.
So if you need the
Like this?
no, after video. If you need like something to make videos, that one.
This is the best thing.
the best one. So
Yeah.
that's what you're doing now.
Yeah, making a vlog. So big up yourself.
All right, my boy.
What's your original nation? Where are you originally from?
I'm from Haiti.
Originally, where in Haiti are you from?
I'm Port-au-Prince.
Port-au-Prince.
Yeah.
Would you go back to Haiti right now?
Not now.
Not now?
Maybe in future.
Maybe in the future.
Right.
So whatever is happening in Port-au-Prince right now, is it happening in all of Haiti or is it just Port-au-Prince?
I guess just Port-au-Prince. Man.
Okay. Haiti is a beautiful place. Originally,
Yeah, of course,
I am
of
a
course.
Jamaican.
Okay, good.
And I'm here on vacation from Jamaica.
Okay.
But I would really love to go to Haiti one day. But Haiti is a beautiful place though.
Right, I know.
Yeah,
Of course,
definitely.
of course.
But yeah, this is a GoPro, so she can buy this. This is probably about $300 and probably $70 something.
Thank you.
The latest one. It's a GoPro. It's a Hero 12. It's called Hero 12.
Wait, GoPro.
But from you putting GoPro, I'm pretty sure you're gonna see the latest one come up. But this one is
Okay.
called a Hero 12.
Alright, no problem.
But it's a good camera. As I say, it's rugged. It's for everyday up and down.
Thank
Can
you, bro.
throw it away and all that, and it still works.
Okay, good. Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Okay,
Cool.
bless.
Bless up. Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Louis, bro.
Louis.
Yeah.
All right. Bless up yourself, Louis. Big up yourself. All right. Blessings. Yeah, so Louis say I want to buy a camera for him girlfriend because she want to take picture and want to vlog. Like, people I know me say I show in the community. I stop under that tree there around this still. But yeah, so Louis want to buy the camera for him girlfriend. For take picture, like honestly I don't know enough people who use the GoPro for take picture. Me personally I use GoPro for take picture. I use it for video. I actually never even, this is my second GoPro. When the Hero 9 they just come out, me have that one. You know, this is the Hero 12, this is the latest one. September where I come this year, they're going to release a newer version. Zin? when the Hero 90 just come out, me not even did use it either for take picture. Me never even ever set up the picture settings. Me never even ever set up that feat, is it? So yeah. But for videoing, this for me I one of the best thing, for tell you the truth. Like I one of the best thing this. As you hear me telling me can go underwater, it can do a whole heap of thing. Even though the last time I bring mine got done and they say mash up. Maybe if the water is too cold or what, but the screen does get green for me, and from that it start giving me a little problem. So I decide say yo, I'm not even about to use it no more. You see me? But GoPro have warranty for them thing there and whole heap of thing. I want good camera these people. I'm not telling like action camera. So it's rugged. They can put it on a bicycle, they can put it on a bike, you can put it on your car, you can fling it in the air and make it, well, I probably exaggerate still, but it rugged. It make for this. You see me? Yeah, to me, the best action camera this on the market. You see me? And as you hear me telling me, kind of expensive, $370 feet still. You see me? But I best think she want something for do that. I best thing that she want it for do. You see me? So big up Louis. Louis say him come from Port-au-Prince in Haiti. Big up yourself and your girlfriend. You might never ever see this, but big up yourself. You see me? Me should tell him to subscribe to my channel. You know? I that me should just tell the boy for do, you know. Join up people. I now go and good though. I want a beat. Anyways, same community. Yeah. So yeah, some of the house them way down there, so them have a little upstairs one. So them, I guess, I don't know if the upstairs one them a 2-bedroom, because so upon them one upon the flat a 4. But when you go the upstairs one, 2 they are ground and 2 they are top. So maybe the upstairs one them a bigger room or something, I don't know. Oh, one of them also all empty, you know, right, I pass it already. One of them empty, they don't pan the corner down there, so it empty. But I think this are the bedroom, right over here, so to the right, and over to the left are the living room, possibly. Yeah, and then the bathroom room at the side room there, so I'm not really see no more room, so maybe a 1-bedroom then be. You see me? Yeah. I'm reach home, I probably ask. I ask my father. He's supposed to know. I ask him them house over here, so what them be. You see me? Oh yeah, my people. Not the road. I'm reach for the next road, I walk go down in that lane there and just turn and come out back so you can see. But yeah, I guess them are the maintenance work. Them are cut grass, them are do all sort of thing. Yeah, I know what thing go already. Proper place, you know? Yeah. But these are not really no high end. And they're not really no high end house, them house you know, people, for telling you the truth, you know. But they're decent. You get what I say? They're decent. They may have some little thing like what I say. You probably just a start out. You see me? Yeah, you say you want one of them, you know. You know, a big family. You can probably cop one of this. They may have probably, I think, maybe like about 2,000 odd a month for rent one of them, yeah. You see it? So yeah. Yeah, people, beautiful day in South Florida, beautiful weather, beautiful everything. You see me? Yeah, man. Place nice. That me I tell you now. Place nice a fret. Yeah man, place nice, man people, place nice, niceness can't done. Big up the people who I watch a video so far, you know. Yeah. If you watch it from the beginning up to this point, big up yourself, you don't know anything, go make sure you subscribe and make sure you click the notification bell. Like, when you know how YouTube works, so I think I have to tell you now all of this. You know already, but just in case you don't know, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. You know, I never tell Louis to subscribe, you know. You know? I shall tell Louis, say Louis, type in this for your thing right now and subscribe to my channel. Yeah. If you want to see yourself, bro. And that I shall tell him, you know. So you can see yourself. That I shall tell him. But big up yourself, see me, youth. I don't know anything, bro. Yeah. Might hear a sound now in the background. I think somebody that with a leaf blower. Because I say you know them have cut the lawn and the little lawn where them have the little bad cow grass. Where them have. Yeah. So I guess he might blow away leaf them on. Oh no fine run already though. Alright, yes. I'm gonna walk, turn up that one, yeah. Show another one, yeah. And people are be iguana the boy, yeah. Be iguana. if me take it on the next side, like if me never walk through here, so walk on the road. The main road out there, so they walk on the main road out there, so only that see them, cause them love over there, so cause even one lake, couple lake there over that side there over there, so cross the main road. Yeah, couple lake there over there. Them have some other complexes over there, so where behind them you have lake. So them build the complex them and the lake in the middle. I think on one lake, yeah. The lake in the middle and the complex them surround it. So the people may come out of them back door over there. The lake them there. So you circle over there. You know them little animal will love lake and live in a lake already. Now if you broke it down like that food, you see. But the iguana them enough over there and them big. Them huge. Sometimes I walk on the road and you see them just run out. Yeah man. Them huge. So yeah. Let me show y'all. The higher building them over there. Behind them one here is a different complex that. It's a different complex. But as you can see, two door them walk and them do them things. So it's pretty much just like a quad, people. Just like a quad. You understand? Yeah. Just like a quad. So now the upstairs one them are really there right there, so. Now them are there. The upstairs one I look on behind there, so is a different building that. Yeah. Upstairs is a different building. Yeah, my people, South Florida, Miami to be exact, North Miami Beach to be exact. So if you can look down there, so you see upstairs. Yeah, upstairs are way across this. You see me? And one there right there, so see one there right there, so yeah, one there right there, so. But there are two people there down on the bottom and two up on top. You don't have nobody around the back as you can see. Like them one here, where people there front here and people there behind here now. Them one here different, you see it? And I say that this is a different building, that of them upstairs is a different building, different complex that. So yeah. And I hope the wind not too pressure the sound, you know. Cause boy, the sound terrible, I don't know. I post the video still. But you know me I work on the whole of that with the sound and everything, like I buy a set of DJI mic as well. You see me? All of that. So me I work on the thing them people. Being me know a long time me I tell you that, but we are way closer to getting to perfection when it comes to creating or producing the content. You see me? Yeah. So me have the mic them and everything, but it have to set up people. You see me? And the GoPro, you can't just connect it to the GoPro like that, because GoPro have them own a mic accessories too. But the DJI mic are the best mic them on the market right now. Are one of the best. Them in the them in the top tier when it come to mic. $300, near $4 for the mic too as well. You see it? So I need to get the connectivity where I can put on the GoPro and connect it on it, so the wind now no affect we and good like gold. Yeah. So people, you are going. Right in the video right here. So bless up to all of the people in my journey with me. Yeah, from I just start walk around this up to the UPS. You don't know, big up on yourself. It's hot outside, people. It's in the 90s, as you see earlier in the video. So bless up to all of the people who don't know the thing, you see me? Manners and respect. Yeah. Manners and respect. You see me? Big up on yourself. All of who watch this on the premiere. Yeah, big up on yourself. You see it? Don't know the thing. I appreciate it, you know. I'm there. I have a little bit more way for walk till I reach home. No, I can't carry no home with me, right? Okay. But I have a little bit more for walk till I reach home. And can't wait for go inside for go sit down in the air condition and drink some water because I'm thirsty. Yeah. But you don't know people. I'm big and fat, so I have to walk. Yeah. But I 876 by birth, you know. Up in the hometown, you know. Miami we there, you know, people. South Florida, and I don't know the thing, but manners and respect. Pick up on yourself. Do remember to like, comment, share, subscribe to the thing, people. A mad move, you know. Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself, man. 876 by birth, man. You see me, I look across the street, you know. Can't make car lick me down, you know. Mad. In a foreign, yeah. Negative. You see me? Boy, the road look away still, you know. Yeah, the road look away. They have to put a stop sign down there so people, because the people have no ramp for speed on the road. Every minute something they lick down light posts and all these things. And they ramp for speed and right off here so them ever lick down the sitting there. So the people have to put a stop sign here, see me? Because 2 bus stop there too, you know. And then money I blow up the leaf and something. So I don't know the thing of people. Bless upon yourself. Manners and respect, you know. Later, I'm out.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.